In this video, I will show some sure ways to make money on Facebook. Now, the first way is getting a portion of the play bonuses for your reels, where your earnings depend on the number of plays your reels get. And you need to be producing great content and getting a huge number of views to earn a good share of these bonuses. The second sure way to make money on Facebook is getting virtual gifts like badges and stars from your audience, mainly for your videos and the reels. And you can redeem these gifts for real cash and then get it through a payment method. Another sure way to earn money on Facebook is through affiliate marketing. And there are so many businesses with affiliate programs where you can boost their sales and make money. And you just need to include an affiliate link or a code in your profile or a content and earn a commission when someone buys through the link or using the code. The next sure way to make money on Facebook is selling your own products or services. And you can sell like everything from physical products to digital products. And you can also promote your skills and the qualifications and secure a job. And you just need to direct Facebook users to where they can buy or access the products or services. And to boost your sales, you can use the Facebook shopping feature or a Facebook ads or a Facebook business page. And there's also sponsored content as another sure way to earn money on Facebook. And you can do influencer marketing where you get paid by brands to promote their products or services. And you can just mention or describe the brand, product or service on your content. And you can always go to Facebook Creator Marketplace to connect with the more brands. In addition, you can do Fanfunding as another sure way to make money on Facebook. And this involves asking your audience for monetary support or on donations. And you can also take your content like videos to membership platforms like Patreon or Coffee and earn a subscription fee. And as a bonus, other ways to make money on Facebook include getting a subscription fee for your exclusive content, getting a share of the Facebook ad revenue, promoting your monetized website or YouTube channel, completing challenges for pay, licensing your content to media houses or other interested parties, making Facebook digital collectibles and selling them, collaborating with top creators to boost your account and earnings, creating and selling Facebook accounts, and then becoming a Facebook consultant. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on Facebook and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.